Hi folks, Lone Wolf Rides here again, and welcome back to the channel. So, a bit of a Christmas special for you. The good people at Aoocci have sent me an email and said that the 28% that's available has now been extended to January the 5th. So, anything you buy off Aoocci, any product whatsoever, if you use my code LWR28, you will get 28% off that unit. Be it C3, C6, C9, BX, whatever it is. Now I've got a vouch for the units. They're good units, you know that. I've got C6 Pro that I've had here, and I have run on my bike most of the year. C6 Pro, no problems at all. Works a treat. No issues with it whatsoever. Got two cameras, front and rear, tire pressure monitor sensors, and also comes in with a remote control. So that's the C6 Pro, 7-inch screen. Good unit. I've also now recently got onto one of these, which is the BX unit. Now this is the latest unit, very similar to the C6 Pro, it's just that it's got a slightly smaller screen. This is 6.25, the one on the C6 Pro is actually 7 inches. It's got upgraded cameras, you can see the difference, and the construction of the brackets is better. Tire pressure monitoring sensors, a remote control, which I found really good. I mounted it on the mirror stems of my bike if you check it out. And it also comes with a blind spot detection unit. Now, anybody who's been watching my channel knows that I've already got blind spot detection units. Some years ago, I bought an Innov Third Eye. And so I calibrated this against the Innov Third Eye, which is a very expensive piece of kit, mind the way. I should imagine it's almost the price of this complete unit. Anyway, I calibrated it and they're very, very close. There's hardly anything to choose between them. The way they work is obviously if you've got somebody cut the blind side here, red light here, red line up here, sorry, and a noise, same on the left here. If they come to the inside, they come up both sides and come close up the rear, you get two flashing red bands, one either side, and a noise. Now what I have noticed with this unit is if you are running it in just the standard screen, the home screen, which you've got your speedometer on it and your tire pressure sensors, when anybody comes from the rear, the screen actually changes to the picture of the rear camera, so you know as it is just about to collide with your bum. It doesn't do it when it's in the mode of anything else, i.e. music or just displaying your sat-nav things. Google Maps, Waze, My Route app, which I use a lot. So when it's doing them, you don't get the picture of the back. You still get the red lines and you still get the noise. Deaf old bugger like me, I can't hear the noise, to be fair, but it is there. I have heard it when I've replayed it back. So that's the BX, that's the latest unit. Now I've got to be fair, I do get a little bit of a kickback off these. It doesn't cost you anything. It comes off Aoocci direct. So these things are at the moment are the real cost-effective units. They're probably one of the cheapest on the market, considering what you get for your money, the build quality, and I personally have had really good, excellent customer support. So all you got to do is I'll put a link down below in the comments, in the description. Click on that link, and it'll take you straight to our Aoocci site. There. Tick what you want, C3, C6, C9, BX, whatever. When you come to the checkout then, all you got to do is put in the code LWR28 and you get 28% off. And that makes this thing really, the BX especially is a really cost effective unit. I mean, with all the bits and bobs there, it's way cheaper than the car ride and any of the other stuff. And GG, miles cheaper. Now, this is going to run till January the 5th. It was finishing December the 5th, but they've extended it now to January the 5th. After that time, if you enter LWR22, you'll get 22% discount. Now, again, massive saving. I mean, you 22% discount on a C3, it takes the unit down to below 70 quid. And I mean, you can't buy anything for 70 quid from a motorbike these days that does this sort of thing. So that's it. LWR28 for your 28%, LWR22 for your 22% after the 5th of January. So that all that leaves me to say is don't forget, give us a tick, give us a like, subscribe, help the channel grow a little bit. Don't forget to be careful out there, but most of all, have a good Christmas, folks. Lone Wolf, saying bye for now.